Hey guys, so I'm here at my church and we have a problem. My pastor emailed me, or texted me actually, saying that we have a sprinkler system leak on the sidewalk of our church. So my pastor wanted me to come and take a look at it, and if I could fix it. So here it is. You can see there, these are our sprinkler system supply line. I'll show you here. You see that root? That's one of the tree root that's there. And you see that crack? It's caused by tree roots. You see tree root right here? Okay, and you see all these roots? When I dug up the ground here, this was full of tree roots. And there's another dead wood right here. And so this pipe right here, you see how it's flat? Let's see. It's flattish. It's not round anymore. And then you see that? That is a crack in the pipe, which I said earlier, it's caused by tree roots. You see that tree root right there? Yeah, no joke. And I'll show you. This water has been leaking, and you see this right here? It's seeping out of here on the sidewalk. It's incredible. And this sand right here is a result of dirt getting blown out, and that's why this looks like that. That water, that's me. This thing keeps filling up with water. So what I had to do was I had to dig it out, and I'll show you something. So look at it like this. This is the sidewalk right here. This here is the sidewalk. Let's go down. See that? That's the hole that the water has eroded. This here used to be filled with dirt, and the water has eroded it, making it look like that. Okay? No, aliens don't live in here, guys. But this hole here, this crevice is made by that leaked water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and turn off the sprinkler system. There won't be any more water coming out this week. Hopefully that water will drain. This is a main supply line for the sprinkler system. Somehow, I don't know. I didn't build this system, so I don't know how it looks like, but the issue here is that we have a major issue here. That main artery is cracked and it's leaking. So, fun time. What I need to do is I need to dig a trench this deep, that far to where my beverage is there, and I need to dig another trench from here to about that far, so that at least I can move the pipe up and down, and I can splice the pipe together so that it won't leak again. So that's what I have to do. Fun job. So I'll show you after I dig up the sidewalk here. Okay. Okay guys, I want to show you something. This is what I mean. You see that? This thing right here? Look. Watch how the ground moves. Look at that. Oh. Could this be the root of all problems? Look at that. That might be the root cause of this leak. You know, no pun intended. But yeah, it looks like it is the root cause. Okay, I've dug this channel right here. I need to dig another channel from that point to this point. Okay. Oh, life is fun. Fun time. Okay guys, I just hit another root cause of a problem. You'll see a root. Look at that. Oh man. These are the root cause of our church problems. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay. Oops. Okay, no more roots here. So that's how much I've dug. Okay, that's how much I've dug. I dig another 5 feet from here and see what happens. Okay, so I've dug a 12-foot section of a trench beside the sidewalk here, and look at the root of our problem here. Look at those mature, big, huge, humongous roots. And I gotta show you another one. You see this? The root of all evil is here. Okay, look at that. Holy cow. Whew. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay guys, so this is what I did. I cut that line, that's a 1-inch pipe, and I also cut this line right here. It's over there. Okay, the reason why I had to do that is because so that I could move the lines here apart so I could get tacked that. That's a 2-inch pipe. Look at that, that's where it is. You're gonna laugh and harp at me about how this how crooked I've cut this tube. Okay, but oh well, you're not in my place. This is about a foot down, and I have to lean down really, really deep to cut that thing. So so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my little Dremel this part out. Okay, you see this little divider right here? This is the coupler. I'm gonna cut another piece this long, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slip this coupler over this one and another one over that one. But in order for me to do that, I have to Dremel this out so that it'll be so I could slip this in and out like that, in and out like this. Okay, so that's what I have to do. But in the meantime, what I need to do now is I need to siphon all those water out. Okay, so that's what I have to do right now. Okay guys, so I got my tool here, or my pipe here. So what I'm gonna do is, see this is the original pipe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right here, okay? And I've already made a line here, this little incision here, and I'm gonna use my little hacksaw and hacksaw all the way around. Once that's done, as you can see here, I've already Dremeled the little divider here out. Once that's done, I'm gonna put this back down on the ground, and I'm going to slip this over. I'm going to slip it over on the other side too, and hopefully that'll work. I've already done the other one as well. So yeah, let me finish this right now. Okay guys, so what I'm doing is I'm using the Red Hot Blue glue here to glue my pipe here together. So I'm going to put some glue right here, okay, here. I'm going to put some at the edge there. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to slip this in. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm going to glue that onto here, and I'm going to slip that over here, and then I'm going to glue that part as well, and then slip it over there. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so I can't show you how to do this, but I'm going to do it, and I'll show you the after when I'm done. Okay, so that's done. Slip this over there. You see this? I know there's a wide crack there. It's impossible for me to cut a straight line. So you see that blue mark? That's where I'm gonna slip this thing back. Okay, so I'm gonna slip this thing in this way and then slip this way out to right here. Okay, and it should be good. But before I do that, I have to put those glue inside here and those glue here and here. So that's what I have to do, and I won't be able to show you this because there's only one of me and I have no tripods. So here we go. Okay, so it's slipped over. Okay, so it's fixed. Okay, so you can't say nothing more. All right, so let's work on the other end. Okay, oh, I got to show you this. The reason why I had to cut that, look at this guys. look at that. That's what the roots did to this pipe, PVC pipe. Okay, so see, it ain't even a round pipe anymore. So I decided to buy this, and I'm gonna cut the exact length to this, and we're gonna fix it tonight. So I'm not gonna show you this, I'll just show you the aftermath. Okay guys, so this is what happened. I got that thing spliced up, fixed, got these fixed, got that fixed, and then this is what happened. I broke that part right there. It's getting dark, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go and buy that little T connector right there where my shadow finger is, and tomorrow I'm gonna dig some more and I'm gonna fix that tomorrow. And yeah, fun time. Okay, so that's it guys, that's all I got for you. All right, okay guys, so it's done. I fixed that thing that broke there, and it's done right here too. So we're going to go inside and we're gonna test the pressure of the pipes here to make sure there's no leak, to determine whether or not it's good before we bury the pipes here. So yeah, so let me clean up and I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna turn on the sprinkler system and we're gonna watch to see if the pipes here leaks at all. Okay, so it is done. Locar and I tested the sprinkler system here. There's no leak, so we are good. He is gonna come out and help me bury the lines, and let's call it a day. Okay, so it's finally done. We buried all the pipes, the water line, and hopefully it doesn't break for another 10-20 years. But I'm guessing that there are roots running around along here there, because the that's just how life is. There's tree roots everywhere. So here's to having fun. Yep.